Is we live? Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's your man Don Bucks. Welcome to another episode of Cheef and Chart, brought to you by Rap and Dough, the home of money conversations. You dig? We talk all things Black wealth. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell for when I go live. This particular show, Cheef and Chart, we talk options. You feel me? That skill set is the skill set of the century. You dig? So this is going to be a short episode because your boy got things to do. Of course, I'm Cheef and the finest, the loudest. Any growers out there, hit my line. I need me a strain ASAP. But if y'all been following, man, the market is back. The market is back. I don't have no exciting story today. Let me see what we got here. I ain't got no exciting story today. As of right now, off the top of my head, I mean, I know, yes, I do. I do got something to say. We got the Options Made Easy Boot Camp popping off September 4th. Hosted by myself, but co-hosted by my coach, none other than Todd Capital. What am I pulling up here? I'm supposed to be pulling up a chart. Excuse me. But yeah, that's coming September 4th. Ooh, wait. Because the streets is talking. Come on, dude. Streets is talking, and they said courses is dope, but we need hands-on coaching. We need live coaching. So I formulated the plan, ran the play. Coach said, yo, let me tap in. So it's not just me, it's my coach with me. We're going to give you the game on how to trade these option shits, man. A lot of y'all, well, a lot of people, not y'all, a lot of people fell by the wayside because I believe they wasn't getting all the game. Like people was leaving some stuff out. And their wins, they wasn't able to duplicate their wins because they didn't actually know what they were doing. So we want to give you confidence and know how to do this thing right. Because I've been doing it right. I made some mistakes, but now I've been doing it right for some time now. I didn't give up. That's one of the reasons why I didn't give up. I wanted to learn this thing because the money just is so insane when you know what you're doing. Even when you don't know what you're doing, the money is crazy. You're like, what the fuck? How did I just make $1,000 in 10 minutes? Never made money that fast legally. So that's why I needed to learn this thing. And now that I know it, I want to give you the game. That's why it's called Options Made Easy, because the way I'm going to give it to you, the way we're going to give it to you, it's going to be like, man, why they ain't show us this the first time? I'm telling you, because it's fun now. Once you know what you're doing, it becomes fun. So let's look at the SPY, y'all, because I told y'all, if y'all been following along, we're out of the downtrend. We're now in the uptrend. And you know how you're in the uptrends because the green uptrend is twice the size of the pullback. That's how you know you're in an uptrend. And it's the opposite for a downtrend. The downs are twice the size of the retraces up. So as you can see, we broke through the downtrend and we broke through the last last swing high of that downtrend, which was down here. And if you wanted to look at this one as it, we are past that. So we're officially back in an uptrend. Let me look on the daily. That's what we should be looking at. It's the daily of the SPY. So boom. Okay. Last swing high. All right. So this is what we're looking at. This is what happened today. Went up a tad. All right. So remember when I showed y'all about momentum convergences and divergences? Right now it's convergent, like they're both doing the same thing. So you want to buy any weakness in the bars. When you see a new high in the MACD, any weakness, you want to buy it because it's showing momentum to the upside, right? And let me show you an example of that. So this is this a new high? All right, so boom, this right here. This red bar right here. You see it's a new high in the MACD right here compared to back here. It's a new high, right? But it's a red bar. I'm buying this weakness or any weakness. I'm waiting for it to finish falling. And it did here and it turned green. This is where I would initiate my call. All right. But sometimes you can't see these greens in the daily chart. This is where you start to see where the trend is and what the market is doing. Then you want to go down to your trading time frame. I use the 2 hour. So now you want to draw your potential support and resistance levels in your trading time frame. So here we have an area. Right? And see, here we have an area. Boom. All right. It got to be areas, right? Let's drag them over. Ah, look at that. Look at that. So does it correspond? It damn sure does. Oh. Actually, this whole John. So I'm gonna say, you dig? So this is what we got going on right here with the SPY. This is your trading time frame. This is my trading time frame. So in order to see exactly what's going on here, I want to go down to my relatable, which is the half an hour. So I see a big selling bar here and a pin bar as support, and I see it bouncing. That's what I see going on in the in here. So it's bouncing. My edge says it's going to go up to here tomorrow and then show weakness. So we have a little bit of space to run, a couple dollars, right? A couple dollars, I'll take it. But let me see what we got exactly. Let me make this bigger. Let me see what we got exactly. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. My bad, y'all. Look what we got. Look what we got. If that was a support level, right? This level right here, this white line right here, if that was a support level, and you see where this dotted line is, and that's where price ended today, it's above this resistance level. So where's the next level up? The next level up is 448. Next level up, 448 on a trading time frame. Hey, let me go back to the daily. Let me see. Yeah, look, it's above that resistance. How the heck I ain't see it? It's above. It closed above it, y'all. Look, it closed above it today. And then it settled back at 29.62. It's above it. So what's the next level up? 448. Like I said, it's about to run, y'all. The market about to run. Where my lighter at? The market is about to run, y'all. So I will be buying any, look, in the MACD. Look at the MACD. New high in the MACD. Any weakness tomorrow, I'm doing calls. Well, I'm already in a call. What am I talking about? So y'all know what stock I'm in. Excuse me. Y'all know what stock I'm in. I'm in MO. Look at MO doing her thing. Look at MO. You feel me? So this chart looks kind of similar because that's why you want to look at the SPY, because everything, all the other charts, a lot of times out of 10, the other charts are going to look like the SPY. So remember we was talking about this being the important level or this one. I wasn't sure which one. So either way now, both of them have been broken. As you can see here, where that green line is, it's above this level with a big bullish engulfing and a new high on the MACD with no weakness. Ooh, let's get it. So where's the next level? The next level is 48. This is the daily. So on the daily, the next level up is 48.43. I'm gonna ride this wave. I've been riding this wave for the past couple weeks. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. You don't have to be all over the place. All you need is one stop and you just ride it. So let me tell y'all what I did yesterday. If y'all was paying attention yesterday, y'all know what I did. Y'all know what I did, but I'm gonna replay it for y'all. So this is the daily, and yesterday was the 15th. So this was yesterday. That's what this bar looked like on the daily. New high in the MACD. That's strength. I like it. So let me take it down to my 2 hour. All right, so this is my trading time frame. So what did I see yesterday? So I seen this pin bar here at support because y'all know I took calls here, but it opened down. But at the end of the day, it closed. Well, a couple hours later, I was in the profit. So I took profit here, waited for it to fall to this level, took calls here yesterday, and took profit here today. Took profit here and waited for it to fall again. That's what all you got to do. On an uptrend, wait for it to finish falling. So it did this. It did this pin bar next with a new high in the MACD. What I tell y'all, that's a momentum divergence. So you buy that weakness. And y'all gonna get the report tomorrow. So it's not 100% that it's going to happen, but these are high probability situations. You're going to start noticing the high probability situations. They happen over and over and over. So if you've got one stock that you follow, you're going to keep seeing the same things over and over. So you're going to know how to trade your stock. So that's what it means when people say, yo, get to know your stock. You'll know how it respects levels. Do it respect them cleanly? Like do it bounce cleanly or do it sloppy? Because this stock here, it's sloppy, and I know that. But if I was all over the place trying to learn different stocks and how they move, you'd be confused. People lose money like that. So stick to one stock when you're first starting out and learn how it moves. So, and then you'll know what is a high probability situation. Once you learn the basics, that's what we're going to break down to you in the Options Made Easy Bootcamp. You're going to take those basics and start applying them to your individual stock. Because everybody's going to be drawing support and resistance areas for every stock. But every stock acts differently. Okay. So you're going to have to get to know your stock. One thing Coach Billy always say, paper trade. Webull allows you to paper trade. TD Ameritrade, not TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, TD Thinkorswim, that you paper trade and practice what we teaching you. I'm telling you, once you get confident and start doing it, you be like, man, you're going to be ready for real money. Because you're like, man, I done did this 10 times in a row and it worked. Time to play with real money. So I took calls here at this red bar. After I took profit here, it dropped at a level. That's why you got to draw your levels on your trading time frame. It stopped right there. And how did I know it was going to stop? I'll go to my relatable 1730 30-minute at 1730. So at 17, around 1730, I seen a pin bar at support, because this is a level. If I would have drew it, but you're gonna get that eye one day too. This is a level, this pin bar here, and a new high in the MACD. That tells me that there's strength. So that plus this equals my edge. And my edge said it was going to do this, and it did. I took profit, waited for it to fall to a level, which is right here. This area here is a level with a new high in the MACD. It's the same thing over and over. So you're going to start putting these pieces together. Once you know what each of them do, you're going to start putting these things together fast. You'll be able to look at a couple things and be like, go to a different time frame and boop, 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 boop. And you're going to be ready to rock and roll. But that is going to take time. And the problem is people want that instinct, that ability off top. That's not even realistic. I mean, I don't even like to use that word, but that doesn't even make any sense. Like, you're going to get that by practicing. All right. So, like I said, I'm in calls and I got a couple days on it. I mean, I actually got a couple weeks on it because I'm playing it to that next level up. I'm playing it to 45. No, I'm playing it to 46.50. I got a 46.50 strike price. Days out. The strike price is the 26th, so 10 days out. 10 days out. Strike price at the next level. Options Made Easy. Make sure y'all tap in, link in the description or in the about area. 4 weeks, hour and a half sessions for general admission. Everybody gets lifetime access to the intro to swing trading options course. VIP get an extra half an hour Q&A with me and my coach Todd Billy. And they also get a workbook so they can go along in the course and have that forever. Yeah. So hurry up. It's limited seating. So hurry up and get your spot. With that being said, ain't no competition, man. It's you versus you. See you tomorrow.